Hi, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms, and today I'm going to take you on a little Christmas tour of our house. This house is a project house. We have a 5-year goal on a lot of things to get done, and it's in the process of getting remodeled. So we're just going to be showing you the rooms that are semi-done and just take you on a journey of what we do for Christmas. We're pretty simple. I like to use a ton of greens and just kind of vintage elements, and I just like to be cozy. So come along with me. The girls have a pot of tea on, and let's do a little tour of our house. Come on, let's go. So this is my entryway, and that's where this little table right here is where we keep our hats and our gloves and everything. At Christmas, I just put simply a nativity scene and some greenery and garlands in the windows and the candles, which we love to light for like maybe an hour in the evenings. The kids really love lighting the candles. It's kind of a cozy tradition. The garlands, we made garlands throughout the whole house out of cedar and different woods. All right, so let's go look at my son's art area. So this is my 4-year-old's art area, Sunday school area. His sister she always does a chalkboard art for me for Christmas and different holidays, and I really like it a lot. But it's really nice. As I said, we have a fixer-upper, and the house has a weird entryway, so we have enough room for this little art area in the hallway. So I like it because he can do his craft projects, I can see him from the living room, and I like the chalkboard. It's just fun and cozy. So now I'm going to show you our living room. It's my favorite spot. It's where we talk together and love together and laugh together. It's just a special spot. Our family really loves getting together in the evenings. You know, kids work different jobs and people do different things, and it's just a time we reconnect as a family. I love just the simple kind of European farm look house style. That's a big long word there, but that's what I like. And the vintage decor and the crocheted stockings and the old shiny bright bulbs. I love all that. And so come with me and let's look at my living room now. So let's go into my kitchen. People are baking in there, my kids, and it's not perfect, but it's a lived-in, cozy kitchen, so come on in and check it out with me. so much for coming along with me as I show you my house. And my message to you is just decorate how you like, make it simple, make it cozy, enjoy this blessed holiday season. Merry Christmas to you from our family to you. Thanks for coming along and just have a blessed Christmas. Thank you so much.